Hey, is your third molar hurting badly? क्या अक्कल दाढ़ निकलवाना is the only solution? क्या अक्कल दाढ़ निकलवाने से आंखें कमजोर हो जाएगी? So I have got all the solutions to your problems in just one video. क्या आपने अपने डेंटिस्ट को कभी बोलते हुए सुना है that you are suffering from pericoronitis? Now what is that term? What is pericoronitis? I'll tell you. Pericoronitis मतलब होता है inflammation of your gums around your third molar जिसे हम अक्कल दाढ़ भी बोलते हैं. The most common cause is when your tooth doesn't get enough space to erupt into the oral cavity. और जगह ना मिलने के कारण इसके ऊपर मसूड़े की एक लेयर आ जाती है which is quite painful and causes difficulty in closing mouth, in eating from that side, and even sometimes this also can infect your muscles due to which you might suffer from trismus. Trismus यानी कि मुंह खोलने में दिक्कत होना. And if the cause and if the infection is not removed with proper antibiotics and with proper treatment, it might cause swelling on that side. अब इसका इलाज क्या है? इसके solutions क्या है? क्या इसे निकलवाना है is the only solution? इसके अलावा what are the solutions? So let us discuss that. First, talking about the temporary solutions to your problem. Temporary solution is getting that area properly cleaned up around your third molar, जिसके वजह से जो बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं, जो फूड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, जो इन्फ्लेमेशन कॉज कर रहे हैं, वो सारे इजीली रिमूव हो जाते हैं एंड जिसके वजह से इन्फेक्शन ग्रेजुअली सेटल डाउन हो जाता है. फॉलोड अप विद प्रॉपर एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड पेन किलर्स recommended by your dentist. And along with this, if required, if needed in your case, operculectomy कर सकते हैं. Operculectomy मतलब होता है the layer of gum, the layer of flap which is present over your third molar, उसको remove कर देना, इसको cut कर देना ताकि आपको temporarily relief मिल जाए and आप easily chew कर सके वहाँ से. And also which will prevent the food particles from getting lodged into that space, into that pocket which is formed around your third molars. Now talking about the permanent solution, which is getting that third molar extracted. One more important thing. अक्कल दाढ़ निकलवाने से और your third molar, getting your third molar extracted won't affect your eyes at all. क्योंकि the nerve supplying your eyes and the nerve supplying your third molar is both are completely different. अगर आप दांत निकलवाते हैं, it won't affect your eyes. You can easily go for extractions and don't worry, this won't hurt. And because of such technologies, extractions have been made completely painless, so you don't have to worry about your pain at all. And along with either the solutions, you have to do warm saline rinses, which are a must for these cases. वार्म सलाइन रिंसेस मतलब होता है गुनगुने पानी में नमक डाल के, चुटकी भर नमक डाल के कुल्ले करना. ये आपकी जो गम्स में इन्फ्लेमेशन है वो धीरे धीरे सेटल डाउन हो जाएगी एंड योर गम्स विल बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. And for booking yours, just contact on the link given in the description box. Subscribe for more. Thank you.